historical Agashev Hills of Malkapur, and here is panoramic view of Malkapur town from the top of Agashev Hills. Malkapur was earlier Gram Panchayat and it has been given status of Nagar Panchayat since April 2008. It is situated on NH4, adjoining Taluka, Karad district, Satara, Maharashtra. This Malkapur were facing acute problem of drinking water. Supply of water was highly erratic and unreliable. Transmission and distribution network were old and poorly maintained. Water loss were typically high, ranging from 25 to 50%. People used to get water only for half an hour to 2 hours a day, and timing was not fixed. Water problem was the root cause of many health problems, especially in the women and children.
The hardship of the people and the readiness of their representative was the two things that prompted to take up this initiative. People actually had sufferings for water and they had to fetch the water even during night time. So, that hardship coupled with their local representatives coming very often, and they were pro to see that this problem is not only solved in a regular fashion, but something additional which is beyond conventional thing shall be done for our town, and that is where it really started.
Now this Malkapur Nagar Panchayat has become a model Nagar Panchayat for rest of the nation. Success story of Malkapur 24/7 pure water supply scheme has attracted the attention of many municipal councils, MLAs, social activists, entrepreneurs and other aspirings to implement 24/7 water supply system. In Malkapur, pure water is made available to the taps anytime it is open 24/7. The quality of water delivered to the citizens through the tap is guaranteed as the pipes are pressurized throughout the day and night. 24/7 pure water supply has resulted into better health of women and children of Malkapur, reduction in wastage of water, shifting of the distribution system from wallman to the consumer, simplification of billing procedure, saving in electricity, reduction in operation costs, etc. The great success of 24/7 pure water supply was not an overnight affair. It was achieved because of great involvement with 100% dedication and door-to-door awareness campaign.
कोयना नदी कोयना नगरवरून निघते महाबळेश्वरमध्ये उगम पावते.
Here we have a Koyna river that generates from Mahabaleshwar and meet Krishna river in Karad. Koyna river is the ultimate source of water for the millions and for us also. We have made jack well. This is intake well was in Koyna river.
इंटेक वेल मधून नदीतील पाणी जॅक वेल
Through pipe river water comes in jack well, then comes in inspection well, and from here reaches to water purifier center. At present, we have approximately 32,000 population at Malkapur, but we have designed 24/7 pure water supply scheme for up to 97,000 people.
मंजूर योजनेप्रमाणे 67,000 आहे.
This 24/7 pure water supply is also being given to commercial organizations like hospitals and hotels, and it is being given by municipality.
या योजनेमध्ये आपण HDP हाय डेन्सिटी
In this project, we have used high-density polythene pipe. This pipe ideally suited to pressure pipe system with an expected life cycle of 100 years. It outperforms most traditional pipe materials. This pipe is being supplied in 100-meter long coils, which significantly reduce the number of joints and speeded up the installation. Electrofusion technique of fitting on joints has been practiced in the all 6 different water zones in Malkapur town.
इलेक्ट्रोफ्युजन पद्धतीनं हे जोडकाम करू शकतो. याच्यामधून ह्या पद्धतीनं जोडकाम केल्यामुळे याच्यामधून एकही थेंब लिकेज होऊ शकत नाही.
ये पाइप जो मलकापुर में इस्तेमाल किया है वो 75 mm, 90 mm, 110 mm एंड 140 mm का पाइप इस्तेमाल किया है। ज़्यादातर 75 mm का पाइप जो रहता है वो कॉइल में 100 मीटर कॉइल में आता है, इसलिए जो जॉइंट लगते हैं वो जॉइंट पर 100 मीटर पे लगते हैं।
ग्राहकांना कनेक्शन देण्यासाठी सुद्धा आपण जे टॅपिंग वापरलेलं आहे
In giving connection to consumer, we are using electrofusion technique to make joints perfectly bit,
आपण पाईपवर ते टॅपिंग फिक्स करतो, त्यानंतर पाण्याचा फ्लो
and this brass to regulate the water and a single length pipe don't allow any leakage of water.
याच्यामध्ये ॲडजस्टमेंट करून
With inbuilt transmitter, AMR test meters are installed. Reading can be done remotely by driving through streets using handheld devices and radio frequency, and thus meter reading is simplified. It is durable, resistant to corrosion, easy to install and easy to maintain.
We also found that for successful 24/7 water supply system, it has to be 100% metered water supply system, very good state of the art technologies to be used, which are the best in the world and all. The government of Maharashtra agreed for the AMR type of meter, which are hardly used anywhere in India.
24/7 water supply system is being maintained with ultra modern technique. Water treatment plant is being opened just by sending SMS from anywhere. The water treatment plant checks all its functions and starts automatically in the same manner as it closes.
हमने पूरा सिस्टम का सर्वे किया, होम टू होम सर्वे किया, लोगों का जो रियलिस्टिक डिमांड है वो डिमांड लेके हमने वाटर जम सॉफ्टवेयर में वो पूरा डिज़ाइन करके 24/7 का पहला जो टप्पा है वो पार कर दिया। और टप्पा पार करने के बाद ये इतना आसान नहीं था। क्या था, लोगों को मीटर बिठा के पानी देने का कंसेप्ट लोगों की सोच में या दिमाग में नहीं था। इसके वजह से थोड़ा स्ट्रगल हो गया। हम लोगों में गए, लोगों में जाकर उनको समझा दिया कि ये सिस्टम कितना फ़ायदेमंद है, और उसमें लोगों में जाकर हमने वो लोगों का एक थोड़ा सा सोचने का ऐसा तरीका रहता है कि मीटर बिठाने के बाद उसका बिल बढ़ जाएगा, लेकिन हम लोगों में जाकर उनको समझा दिया कि तुम्हारा बिल जो है अपने जो स्कीम चलाने का है वो प्रॉफिट में तो चलाने का नहीं, लेकिन बैलेंसिंग में चलाने का है। बैलेंसिंग में चलाने के लिए हमको जितना खर्चा आता है वो खर्चों के अनुसार हम उसका अपना टेरिफ लगाएंगे। वो 2009 में हम पूरा सिस्टम 24/7 का वो सेटल कर दिया है।
नाही हा नवीन आहे
नाही
सगळा.
आम्ही ते
I am living here as a tenant and shift here just because 24/7 water supply. Here we have no problem.
नहीं या सब अच्छा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
मलकापुर का टोपोग्राफी है वो थोड़ा सा अलग अलग है, कई तरह उतार है, कई तरह चढ़ाव है। उसके पानी का जो संतुलन होना चाहे वो जोन के अनुसार होना चाहिए, लेकिन एक टंकी से एक जोन पूरा कवर होके उनको उसको जो प्रेशर जो लगता है उसके प्रेशर के अनुसार पानी आने के लिए वो जोन वैसा डिज़ाइन किया हमने 6 जोन में।
वापरण्यावर आहे. जसं आम्ही पाणी कमी वापरतो
Water is available 24 hours. You use less water, you get less bill. It is all good.
पाण्याचं बिल बसतं, आपल्या वापरण्यावर आहे.
This is where we worked. We told the people that the metered water supply, you are going to pay for whatever you have consumed. And once the system has started working, it is found that those who were consuming less has reduced their bill from 60 rupees even to 30 rupees. And those who were using more has to pay more. So that's how a social equity is also established. And now it is not we that tell that the metered water supply scheme is essential everywhere, but the people of Malkapur themselves tell कि metered water supply system is required, it is pro-poor, and it emanates to the thing that it reduces the consumption of water even for the richer, because then they start reducing their water requirements as well, and then they start reducing their bill. This is how the story has happened in terms of bills as such.
आता आम्हाला हे पहिलं
We have faced a lot of hardship for water. Now we understand the value of water as we are getting 24/7 water supply.
त्रासच घेतला ना ह्याच्या आधी. पाणी असल्यामुळे आता
24/7 water supply gives us respect. Sometimes we had to go to fill our water to a long distance and it was all cry for water. We could not do anything. Now everything is all right.
पहले हम मीटर लगाए थे, मीटर लगते समय लोगों के थोड़ा सा एक ऐसा अट्रैक्शन था, कोई मीटर लगा के जो पेट्रोल और डीजल है जैसा वो पानी बिकेंगे बहुत सारा टेरी पाया जाएगा। इसके वजह से लोगों को मीटर वो जो बिठाए है वो काटने के थोड़ा सा वैसे कई लोग कर रहे थे। लोगों को अपना अंतरात्मा से बात करें तो लोगों को समझ जाता है कि अपने लिए काम कर रहा है और उसका फल मिलने से थोड़ा सा हमको अच्छा लगता है कि हम समाज के हित में काम कर रहे हैं।
पाण्यासाठी तर सगळं आपण म्हणजे पाणी
You know, water is a life and our life was totally engaged in collection of water. Now things have changed. We get 24/7 water supply and we have plenty of time. Now we attend programs of Mahila Mandal and self-help groups.
बरेच आम्ही कार्यक्रम अटेंड करू शकतो। वॉशिंग मशीन असल्यामुळे पाणी जास्त लागतं।
With 24/7 water, our life have changed. We don't misuse water.
ही चांगलीच आहे आमच्यासाठी।
We all have water. More consumption of water earns more bills. So we use water just to fulfill our need.
सगळे कामं लवकर झाल्यामुळे सगळ्यांना
24/7 water supply scheme has given us liberty and free time. Now we do go in village function and another program.
कसं लग्न कार्यक्रम असेल
The 24/7 water supply scheme could not be achieved without the full cooperation of Malkapur citizen. Actually, 10% of the total budget of 24/7 water supply had to be deposited by the people of Malkapur.
स्कीम का पैटर्न ऐसा है, 90% तो बाय गवर्नमेंट से आता है और 10% पॉपुलर कंट्रीब्यूशन। पॉपुलर कंट्रीब्यूशन का मतलब ऐसा है, लोगों का भी उसमें हिस्सा रहना चाहिए। लोगों को लगना चाहिए कि अपनी स्कीम है तो लोगों भी आगे आ सकते हैं। इसलिए 10% पॉपुलेशन कंट्रीब्यूशन का एक गवर्नमेंट ने नॉर्म्स रखा है। उसके हिसाब से अभी तक 1 करोड़ और 20 लाख रुपए तो नगर पंचायत ने भर दिया है गवर्नमेंट को।
This challenge was achieved with great effort of the people of Malkapur. According to the norms of government, people of Malkapur through Nagar Panchayat already have deposited rupees 1 crore 20 lakh. Now the people of Malkapur are free from worrying regarding timings of water in supply. Uncontaminated pressurized water supply 24/7 hours a day, 7 days a week have been provided. The distribution network have been designed using WaterGem software. This software models the system according to the given pattern of usage of water at different times of the day.
वाटर जेम्स के सॉफ्टवेयर में हम पानी का जो डिमांड है, लोगों के जो सर्वे करते हैं, लोगों का जो रियलिस्टिक डिमांड उसके मॉडल में डाल के वो रन करते कौन से जगह कितना प्रेशर आ सकता है और ईपीएस में हर घंटे में कौन सा प्रेशर कौन से जोन में कितना रहेगा वो पूरा डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं। और वो वाटर जेम सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या है, तुम्हारा कम से कम कीमत में और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नफ़े में कैसा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हम डालते हैं उसका एक अवेयरनेस का स्टडी हो जाता है उसमें।
It is very essential to control water levels of all elevated service reservoirs, and this is the one where we have done it so far with Malkapur Nagar Panchayat. The ESR has got 2 sensors. One is at full sump level, that is at 100%, and second one is at 40%. As the water level reaches to full sump level, that is 100%, this PLC based system, it senses the water level and it closes the wall which is coming inside the service reservoir. So water supply will be stopped, and as the water is consumed by the users and when the water level falls below 40%, again this PLC panel, it senses the level and it opens the wall so again the water will be filled to 100%. So there won't be any wastage of water, not a single drop will be wasted, and all consumers will get water at appropriate pressure levels, because this panel sees that the water is always full in the reservoir. So this is the basic use of this automatic ESR filling system.
The work order was given on 7th December and the actual work began on the 8th March 2008. In 2009, the project took off and currently has 4,200 connections.
ये गांव बहुत छोटा था, लेकिन इतना ये पानी आने के बाद इसका एक्सपेंशन बहुत जल्दी हो गया, हो रहे हैं, और बहुत पानी का डिमांड बहुत है। मेरे ख्याल से अभी 4,500-5,000 रुपये 4,500 मीटर कनेक्शन हो जाएगा, तो गया होगा।
2-4 बरस में हमने देखा है कि पानी 24/7 आने से इतना बढ़ रहा है मलकापुर, वो एक 4-5 बरस में हमको एक पैरेलल सिस्टम का सोचना पड़ेगा, ऐसा ही लगता है।
Malkapur have been relieved of the problem of irregular and unpredictable water supply. A study undertaken by the Krishna Medical College Karad reported that the 100% of the samples are potable and free from contamination.
No, of course, we have scientific parameters to decide, you see, the content, means, you see, the purity. The Nagar Panchayat has come out with, you see, very good results. So what clean water can do is not only prevent diseases, also give you better health. People have become healthier.
Apart from third parties' guarantee of pure water, here in Water Purification Center, every week water is being tested and every month the report of quality of 24/7 supply water is being sent to the head office of Maharashtra Jeevan Pradhikaran, Mumbai.
जो रॉ वाटर आता है उसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी यहाँ जांच करते हैं और उसके हिसाब से हम प्योर वाटर के लिए डोज एडजस्ट करते हैं। ये चार्ट, इस चार्ट के जरिए हम डोज एडजस्ट करते हैं और लोगों को प्योर वाटर देते हैं। जो डायरेक्ट जो रिवर से आता है वो ये रॉ वाटर है और उसके बाद ये सेटल वाटर है, और जब हम डोज एडजस्ट करते हैं उसके बाद ये प्योरीफाई वाटर जो है वो नागरिक के लिए जो देते हैं वो ये प्योर वाटर है।
A survey conducted by Anganwadi Sevika indicated that the waterborne diseases in children have been reduced remarkably to near zero level. Wastage of water is remarkably reduced because of telescopic tariff structure. The number of hours pumping water has been reduced from 19 to 20 hours to 13 to 14 hours per day. No valves are required to be operated in the distribution network. Consumer opens the tap and gets the water any time of the day and the night. Thus, 24 wallmen and their misconduct is a part of history. As the pumping of water to the water tank on terraces is not required, water reaches up to the 4th floor with full force. Use of electricity is reduced. The energy saved is equivalent to reduction in 450 tons of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.